So today I'm using the Alamar Cosmetics palette. It's so freaking pretty. I did this look. This is actually just a recreation of a look I did a couple weekends ago when I went to New Orleans, and I got good responses on it on Instagram, so I decided to create a tutorial. And this is the palette that I used to create it. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching.
Fast, slim, big, she might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist, she the plug, she finesse, she the one they call the...
Okay, you guys, so the palette I'm going to be using today is from Alamar Cosmetics, and it's their, oh, I'm going to butcher this, the Reina Del Caribe palette. Did I do it? Anyway, it's Cuban inspired. So all the names are Cuban names, so like La Costa, El Malecon, Veradero, Celia, Coco-Taxi, Tropico, Guantanamera. Oh, if y'all seen that movie and they were like Guantanamera, Guantanamera. Okay, anyway. And Cafecito. So like all of these are obviously Spanish names. So I just wanted to give you guys some background on the palette. Obviously it's from someone who is Cuban American. So I also want to tell you guys that it retails for 28 bucks. Like, that's freaking awesome compared to all the other high-end palettes that we get these days. I would pay $28 for this. I didn't pay $28 for this. I actually got it in my very first BoxyCharm that I didn't film because I got it super late. But I actually got this in my BoxyCharm. But I would definitely pay $28 for this palette. Like, I wouldn't mind paying that. Some of these palettes these days, they be like $45, $60, and I'm just like, for what? Like, it's not even worth it, honestly. But this does retail for 28 bucks, and they also have brushes on the website that I'm actually planning on buying. So yeah. But moving on, I'm just going to start by priming my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the color Toffee. And I'm just going to take some of my Airspun powder and just set that in place. It's in my drawer and I just don't feel like taking it out. Let's bring y'all in closer. Hey y'all. So the first color I'm gonna go in with is Coco-Taxi, and it's this orange one right here. On a fluffy brush. And this will be my transition shade. The next color I'm going to take is this one right here. It's called Tropico. Yeah, Tropico. I'm pretty sure that means tropical. So, yeah. And I'm just going to progressively get darker. Pigment. And the next color I'm gonna put into my crease is Guantanamera, which is this burgundy shade down at the bottom. This one right here. Y'all, this palette is bomb. Like, look at my eyes. Like, oh, I love this palette. Ooh. Now I'm just gonna go back over just to make sure no colors are gonna get lost. This color is just to add some depth. I don't want to deepen it up too much because I like the brightness of it. And I'm not worried about all of this being on my lid because I'm going to cut my crease anyway. And this is just a clean blending brush just to blend all of the harsh lines out. And just for a tad bit of darkness, I'm gonna take Cafecito, which is this brown, right here. And to cut my crease, I'm gonna take some Makeup Revolution concealer on this teensy little brush right here. This is a really good brush. This is a Ulta brush, but it came in like one of those makeup kit things. Someone got it for me for Christmas, so yeah. And I'm not gonna take the thing. I'm just gonna swipe some of it off on this brush. And hold my breath because this takes concentration from me. And I am going to cut my crease higher than my actual crease because I have partially hooded lids in my opinion. But it just makes my lids look way bigger than what they are. So I'm just going to put the concealer on there and look up. This tells you exactly where you should cut your crease. And for my lid color, I'm gonna take Celia, this shimmery blue-green color. This one right here. It's kind of blue-green in the pan, in the palette, but on my eyes, it actually looks very green. But I'm just going to use that. I wiped it off, but I'm just using that same little brush I used to cut my crease. Maybe I should have went in with my finger first. Yeah, I'm going to start out with my finger. Much better.
Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know?
This color is so freaking pretty. Ugh.
I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools. Gold,
I'm switching over to my bigger. Actually, you know what? If I can find it. Here it is. So I'm actually going to switch over to my Morphe G20 brush, just so I can get into the smaller areas that I can't reach with my finger. For eyeliner, I'm just going to take my usual, my NYX Liquid Liner, and pray if I mess this up, I'm gonna cry.
Don't you know? I fell for fools. Gold, I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools. Gold, I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know?
And I'm bringing my eyeliner down, actually past my eyes, so I can get that super cat eye effect.
Yes, I did.
Moving on to under my eye. First, I'm gonna do the reverse of what I did at the top. So I'm gonna take Cafecito first, this one right here. And then I'm gonna go in with that plum shade I used earlier. And for mascara, I'm just gonna take the Maybelline the Colossal Big Shot mascara, the one that MakeupShayla did in collaboration with Maybelline. Oh, I forgot to put on bottom eyeliner. For my bottom eyeliner, I'm just gonna take my Maybelline gel eyeliner and put that in my waterline. And that finishes it off for my eyes. I'm just gonna add some blush to my cheeks and some highlight, and then that'll be it. I'm taking this old Morphe 9B palette. This is old, like stupid dumb old, but it's okay. I'm not even sure if I recorded that, but maybe not. All I did was just take the Makeup Shayla and ColourPop Collab Highlighter in Boomin and apply that to the high points of my cheeks. And for lips, I'm gonna take this Ofra liquid lipstick in the color Verona. I want to give myself a very muted out lip, and this does exactly that. I know it looks like hella pink, but when it dries it's super muted, so yeah. And now I just have to spray my face with some Urban Decay All Nighter spray, the good stuff. Whew. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. Y'all, this is very pretty. I am so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. Well, you guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. I highly recommend this palette. It's only $28. I mean, how can you beat that? Compared to some of these other brands that want to charge you $45, $50, $60 for a palette. I mean, this is a steal. So, I mean, why not? If you like it, I highly recommend it. So, yeah. So, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I will greatly appreciate it. And if you have any comments, questions, concerns, or suggestions, just leave them down below in the comment box. And if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time that I upload new content. And be sure, you guys, to follow me on Instagram, because when I'm not on YouTube, I'm definitely on Instagram. My tag is @QuoiaLen, just like my YouTube channel. So yeah, follow me on there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.